Hi my friends, today I'll be eating a banana, or maybe 2 or maybe 3. I doubt that I'll eat 4, but you never know. Hi, you wanna see my friend here? His name is Monkey. Yeah, his last name is Banana. So, I'll show him to you. He's a bit delirious looking right now. He ate a lot of bananas. Maybe too many. I think he ate probably 100. So I think that's a bit too many. So I'll tell you about the health benefits of bananas, some of those benefits at least. This will be another eating video, of course. A banana eating video. So stay tuned if you like to see me eat a banana and learn more about the banana. Or as we say in German, Banane. Like I said, you can eat a lot of bananas, but he just ate too many. Look at him. He's a nice friend to have though, because he always brings me fresh bananas. I never ever run out of bananas. Let me show you how many he brought me. Look, what a beautiful friend I have. He's always into monkey business. But like I said, there's just a problem with him. He just eats like 100 bananas at a time or so. But he always makes sure that he leaves me some. Isn't that nice of him? So, I shouldn't have eaten any lunch, because I'm kind of had enough to eat. So, but I'm not doing it to see how many bananas I can eat. I'm doing it for you, to tell you about the health benefits of bananas. You say, oh well, then maybe I'll click away. Well, I'm showing it to you in the opening on the top. Oh, banana, you taste so good. Oh, banana, you look so good. Oh, banana, you make me happy. Truly, truly, keeps you from being depressed. Yeah, there's a lot of serotonin in there. So, how do I eat it? This way, that way, underneath, over here, through there. There's no other room anymore. Potassium is really good for you. If you're lacking potassium, I have to keep it a bit quieter. Not everybody wants to know, you know. If you're lacking potassium, that may be what you need. I like bananas and I like monkeys. I like it that bananas have a skirt to do the banana dance, you know. Isn't that pretty neat? All you have to do is peel it. I'm gonna eat another one and I'll peel it. I can feel it. This goes to the chickens. They love it. I searched for some of the health benefits of a banana this morning because I wanted to learn more. Then I found foodmatters.com. It says 25 powerful reasons to eat bananas. Then it says you'll never look at a banana the same way again after discovering the many health benefits and reasons to add them to your diet. Bananas combat depression, like I already told you, make you smarter, cure hangovers, relieve morning sickness, protect against kidney cancer, diabetes, osteoporosis, and blindness. They can cure the itch of a mosquito bite and put a great shine on your shoes. So, if you think bananas are just for monkeys, think again. Why do you think he brings me so many? He brings them to me because he knows they're not just for him. Okay, bananas help overcome depression due to high levels of tryptophan, which is converted into serotonin, the happy mood brain neurotransmitter. Oh, I want to be happy. Happy, happy, happy. I think I'm a little bit depressed right now, so oops, and that peel just came off. It makes me even more depressed. But you know what? There's a cure. There is a cure for depression. Now I figured him out. My monkey gets depressed. That's why he eats and eats and eats and eats bananas. Yeah. Some bananas a day will take my depression away. And because I wanna be happy, happy, happy all the way. Yippee-yay. Hooray. It's working already. It's amazing. Just amazing. I wonder if they had bananas in the Garden of Eden. Huh? I bet so. Adam, Adam, where are you? Bring me a banana to your wife Eve. 2 done and I'm already happier. I really do have 25 reasons here. I'm only on the first one. I don't know if I'll eat them all. I mean, read them all. So, eat 2 bananas before a strenuous workout to pack an energy punch and sustain your blood sugar. 3, protect against muscle cramps. I had a muscle cramp in my leg for a couple of days, so I don't think I'll have another one after that. Protect against muscle cramps during workouts and nighttime leg cramps by eating a banana. Oh. Counteract calcium loss during urination. Ugh. I don't know if I'm getting swallowed up by all these bananas or if I'll be swallowing them up first. So, counteract calcium loss during urination and build strong bones by supplementing with a banana. Oh, I want that. Huh. Counteract calcium loss. You don't want to do that. Yup. And I want strong bones. So, there is number 3. Ooh. Rockabye, baby, you'll sleep so well tonight. You won't have any cramps anymore if you do what you suppose. Oh, forget it. Forget it. Forget it. It's not working. Sometimes my singing is just... I don't know. Not worth it. That's all. Banana. Oh. I certainly don't want that calcium loss during the time when I pee. Oh, gee. Huh. Asking me if I want strong bones? Huh. Are you, I almost said the F word, kidding me? Oh. These are sweet bananas. Really good bananas. Bananas, bananas. Whoops. Whoa. Huh. This is so crazy. If you want to hear some more about the health benefits, then stay tuned. I ate 3. I think I do go for a 4th one. Maybe a 5th one? I just don't know. 5. Improve your mood and reduce PMS symptoms by eating a banana. I'm so fucking crabby today. I'm getting my period. Man, I can't stand it. Improve your mood and reduce PMS symptoms by eating a banana, which regulates blood sugar. Oh, that's what I need. Oh. And produces stress-relieving relaxation. Let's eat one fast. I'm getting so stressed and crabby. Oh, banana. Oh. Stress relief. I'm so fucking stressed I can't even open my banana belly. I just get so stressed. And I just need to get my blood sugar regulated. Oh, beautiful banana. Hope that stress goes away fast. Fast relief. Monkey is sleeping still. I'm actually glad because I'm so crabby. I just can't stand anyone right now. He'll be so happy when he wakes up though. Remember, it's good for happiness. And he doesn't get any leg cramps. Doesn't lose his calcium either. When he has to urinate. That's why I have such strong bones. To pick me bananas. Look at all of these. Four bananas. 6. Banana reduce swelling. Protect against type 2 diabetes. 8. Weight loss. Really? I've been gaining so much lately, buying all that good food for my videos. I ought to eat more bananas. Strengthen the nervous system. Oh God, I need it so badly. I had so the tremors. Now I know why. I didn't eat enough bananas. I didn't eat any. Shame on me. And help with the production of white blood cells. All due to high levels of vitamin B6. Give me more vitamin B6? I only ate 4 so many so far. Maybe if I eat 6. Let's eat number 5. Or is it number 6? I think it's number 5. I need more vitamin B6. Oh God, my nervous system, how much is this such a wreck? Bananas, bananas, bananas. Oh, it's already doing my nervous system good. Can already feel it. I already did when I peeled it. I could feel it. There we go. I'm just gonna have to make a banana cake too before I eat them all. It's just so delicious. Monkey likes it too. He knows he gets special treats when he brings me bananas, you know. Those banana shakes, he just loves them with the oats in them. And the dates. Strengthen your blood and relieve anemia with the added iron from bananas. Really, that's what I need. Extra iron. I had no idea. Did you? High in potassium and low in salt. Bananas are officially recognized by the FDA as being able to lower blood pressure. Oh, I can feel it already because my blood pressure was really high. You know, I felt like my head was about to blow. And protect against heart attack and stroke. I want another banana. You too. A photo shoot of Monkey and me. Smile. I'm reading from what it says on the number 11. Constipated. I was constipated the other day, believe it or not. Oh, if I would have known. If I would only have known. High fiber in bananas can help normalize bowel mobility. Oh, whoa. I think that calls for another banana. Is it number 6? Yup. So you can go when you gotta go. Oh, banana. Oh, banana. You have so many health benefits for me. I think I ought to grow another banana tree. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm. This is definitely a banana day today. A healthy day. But what's the limit? Oh, what's the limit? Oh, I don't know. It takes care of constipation, but what if I have diarrhea? Or get diarrhea? Oh, I don't know. I'm not gonna worry about a thing because it makes serotonin, so it'll take care of my mood and my nervous system and my blood and oh my. Why worry? It's good. Yeah. 6. I'll be strong and exercise. Get good bones. Yeah, that's it. Oh, 112 says got the runs. Oh, I was worried about that. Bananas are soothing to the digestive tract and help restore lost electrolytes after diarrhea. Oh, yeah, okay. Bananas are a natural antacid, providing relief from acid reflux, heartburn, and I don't know what that is. GERD? GERD. Oh, no idea. But it's good for it, so it has to be good. It gotta be good. It's gotta be. Another banana. Bananas are the only raw fruit that can be consumed without distress, I mean. to relieve stomach ulcers by coating the lining of the stomach against corrosive acids. Oh, isn't that good news? Great. I don't know if I can eat another banana. Let's see. Stay tuned if you want to know. I had to look into the camera to see if I was in there. Bananas act as prebiotic, stimulating the growth of friendly bacteria in the bowel. That's what I needed. Huh. After all those antibiotics and all. Huh. That'll do me good. They also produce digestive enzymes to assist in absorbing nutrients. Oh, do I need that? You too? Let's have another one. Yum! Ah! Eat one! So, go ahead and have another one. You're welcome. Oh, I can feel that tryptophan. I just can feel it. I don't know if I can feel it. I get so tired. And so happy. And so healthy. You like it? Oh, that's fine. Just throw it over there. I think that's number 7. It's working. It calmed me down. I think it's the limit. So I can have some tomorrow. I feel a lot cooler too, you know. It was so hot in there. I didn't want to turn the air conditioner on because it makes too much noise. But you know what? I'm glad I ate another banana. Because it says eating a banana can lower the body temperature and cool you during a fever or on a hot day. On 22 it says the natural mood enhancer tryptophan helps to relieve seasonal affective disorders. SAD, sad. Never heard of it before. Quitting smoking. Bananas contain high levels of B vitamins, as well as potassium and magnesium to speed recovery from the effects of withdrawal. There you got it. Dear, eat a banana a day or more than smoke your cigarette a day or more. That's actually better for you. You believe they all go for the cigarette break at work? And you go for your banana break. Huh. Anyway, it says rub the inside of a banana peel on your leather shoes or handbag and polish with a dry cloth for a quick shine. I don't think I like that idea. That I just don't like. So, there it says, hold on. Control blood sugar and avoid binging between meals by eating a banana. I ate enough. Rub a bug bite or hives with the inside of the banana peel to relieve the itching and irritation. So that's what I should have done earlier, because some bug was after me. Finally bit me. He made his decision. Unfortunately, I didn't have a banana peel with me. I did. I'm sorry I did. I had bananas here, but I didn't know about it. Eating a banana between meals helps stabilize blood sugar and reduce nausea from morning sickness. Oh yeah, I like to hear that, don't you? Bananas are high in antioxidants, providing protection from free radicals and chronic disease. On number 15 it says eating bananas will help prevent kidney cancer, protect the eyes against macular degeneration, and build strong bones by increasing calcium absorption. Really, I really need that. But on 16 it says bananas make you smarter and help with learning by making you more alert. Oh, I like that idea. I need to be alert because I need to make a lot of videos for you. Yeah, and you need to be alert because you need to learn. Yeah. Make you smarter and help with learning by making you more alert. Yeah. Eat a banana before an exam to benefit from the high levels of potassium. Very good idea, isn't it? Oh, really great idea. Huh. I'm gonna need to read you number 9 still. But I need to be a little bit more alert, so I need to eat my 8th banana. Or is it a 9th? Oh my. Did I forget? Whew. I should have eaten a banana earlier. Then I'd probably remember. Monkey. Monkey fell back asleep. Got the whisper. Oh yeah. Yeah, let's do that. I need to be more alert. That's what I need to be. Here's another banana for you, so you can be alert. Oh, yeah. So I need to finish my video and upload it. Put it all up on YouTube and edit. Oh, I need to be alert. That's right, because it takes hours sometimes, often. Yeah, I worked about 3 hours on editing my video eating a peach. All the filters, the music, uploading it isn't not even counted in there. So, alertness. This spells alert. Alert. Monkey Banana is really still sleeping, so we really need to be quiet. Goodbye, baby, sleep well at now. Have sweet dreams about bananas. That is my 8th banana. I hope I won't get any constipation. Oh. Whoa. I feel that tryptophan. Is that? Oh. I'm staying alert. I'm staying alert. The tryptophan's working, but I'm staying alert. Maybe not for very long. Oh, I remember those delicious breakfasts. I'll just make a video about it. I'll show you what I used to eat for breakfast, a banana. And when my kids were little, I told them, make yourself that breakfast. That's why they were so okay and alert and healthy and had strong bones and no cramps. No leg cramps. And they exercised, so obviously it worked, even though we didn't know about it. Mm. 8. Oh, it missed. It hit something else. Huh? Thank God not my purse, because I don't want to wrap it on the purse. Rich in pectin, bananas aid digestion and gently chelate toxins and heavy metals from the body. Oh, that is so good to know. Oh, I read so much of this. So much of this. Yup. I think I may have read almost all of these. You can go check it out. Yeah. 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 Remove a wart by placing the inside of a piece of banana peel against the wart and tapping it in place. Huh. So many good ideas. Oh, you can even make a delicious creamy banana and avocado smoothie. They give you a recipe here. Oh, I should do that. Oh, the internet can be such a beautiful place. So, I ate, I think, 8 bananas, and I'm satisfied. I don't have to eat more, because Monkey just woke up. Here, you can go have the rest. And I got to take care of Monkey. Well, And he's happy now. He woke up. He woke up. You get a kiss. He woke up. He's going to get me more bananas. He's happy now. Not crabby. And he's got lipstick on his cheek. Bye, my friends. Love you. Till next time. Till soon. Bye.